Porsche. Wow. And I have almost reached the starting point. This is the meetup location. Oh God, oh God, oh God, we have a triumph. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, all the bikes are lined up over here. This is my bike and I have installed two flags on this. One is on the front, one is on the rear, and I have my tail bag also mounted here, and you can see all the bikes are ready here. We are riding near the Andhra and Telangana border. It's on the Bangalore highway. That's the route which goes ahead from the Shamshabad highway. That's the Hyderabad airport. So we are riding, all the bikes are riding to that place, and I'll be leading this ride, and most probably few other super bikers will also join our ride. As of now, we have one Triumph motorcycle that is there with us. I'll show it to you guys. So this is the Triumph motorcycle, and this guy is also riding with us. This is your bike?
Yeah.
And which model is it? Is it 2014 model?
No, this is 2017 model.
2017 model Thunderbird.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thunderbird
Sounds crazy.
It's really good. The pops which come out now.
Yeah. So it revs until 5500 RPM. Okay. Are you able to handle this bike in the city?
No, not in the city.
It's very heavy, right? It's very heavy, and the amount of vibration is also huge. It's very huge.
Half the amount of
Yeah, everything is vibrating when I'm accelerating. That's what I was thinking. How are you managing it? What is your name?
It's Mani Kishore.
My name is Suraj. Ready? Chalo, let's go. The ride has started. Porsche. Wow. There's a huge riding group up here. Moments, snacks and beverages. Stopped here at Shamshabad. This is the outskirts of Hyderabad from where the actual ride will be starting. We had some tree over here, and you can see all the riders are again ready to leave from here. From here we'll hit the 4-lane highways, and we will go to Foot Pyramid. That is around 111 kilometers from here. And now the actual fun begins. So let's get started with the video. Let's go. I haven't seen so much rush on the Bangalore highway. This does not look to be a regular day. Maybe because the long weekend has arrived. Most of the people are traveling outside, and that's why the highway is filled with commuters. You can see there are a lot of riders going touring as well, because it's a long weekend. That's nice. The traffic was a lot, but still we were riding a little fast. But the traffic is definitely higher today. You can see the lineup of cars on the tollways. It's huge amount of traffic on this highway today. Now the roads are a bit more empty, so I'm able to enjoy the bike. I think everyone is left behind. I can't see anyone in the rear view camera. I can't stop enjoying the 4x7. It's a fun machine on the highway. lovely day. And the dual horn, it's really coming in handy on the highways, because when I'm traveling fast, I want the other person to be alerted way before I reach that vehicle. So that's where the dual horn is coming in handy a lot. Because the stock horn was way too low of all the highways. Now I can see our riders. Sexy ride, I am liking it. That's the power that the RS457 has. Like in sub 500cc, nothing can come close to this bike apart from the ZX4R. This is an amazing monster. करना पड़ रहा है, बट क्रेजी मजा आया, नेक्स्ट लेवल फन। मैं बीच में सोचा मैं कैमरा ऑन कर दिया, मेरे को ध्यान ही नहीं है मैं कैमरा ऑफ है, अभी नोटिस किया, अभी ऑन किया, मैं यहाँ आके ऑन किया, तो फुल मजा आया। हम लोग दोनों तो कांस्टेंट 190 के ऊपर गए हैं पूरा रास्ता। इतना हम लोग दोनों एकदम नेक के नेक चला रहे थे, पूरा टाइम फुल गैस जा रहे थे, हम लोग छोड़े ही नहीं है गैस। मजा आ गया। I want to show the quick shifter and the auto blipper on this ride. Let me show it to you. So I am in the 6th gear. I'll downshift now. 5, 4, 3, 2. Upshift. Did you see how the quick shifter and auto blipper performs on the 457? It's a blessing that Aprilia has launched the quick shifter for this bike. If you have the money to go for it, definitely go for it. It's a fun machine on the highways with the quick shifter. मैप्स देख लेता हूँ कितना दूर है। साला और 3 किलोमीटर है, और 3 किलोमीटर है। We have almost reached the location. This is the food pyramid and we are waiting for the other riders. I saw 2 to 3 folks. They just crossed this place and they will get to know that we have, and then once they get to know that they have already crossed, then they'll have to come back here. We have had our food and it's time to leave this place. We are heading to the Statue of Equality from here. And mostly I'm expecting all the riders to come there, and after that we'll go for lunch. Right now the time is 11:37 a.m. It's super hot today and very humid, and you can see all the bikes lined up here. It was a fun ride today. I was almost going full gas all the time. There is a street triple. I think this is pre 2017 model because it has a bug eye on it. Nice. So we stopped here at the food pyramid. This is like 100 kilometers from Shamshabad town. We had dosha and idlis here, and then some tea and coffee. That's it. हेलो, मैं अभी राइड पे ही हूँ, आदि वापस लौट रहा हूँ. और मज़ा आया ना, फुल थ्रॉटल जा रहे थे. इट हाँ, स्ट्रेच मस्त था, फुल गैस जा रहे थे हम लोग. ये सब लोग कितना आगे थे, तुरंत चेस कर लिए, सबको चेस कर लिए.
सब पीछे है ना अपने?
हाँ, वो सब पीछे, हम लोग ही सबसे आगे हैं. इट वॉज नाइस ब्रो, यू वर ऑल्सो राइडिंग फास्ट.
The road was really good.
It was amazing. I liked it. So we have stopped at the toll plaza here. Statue of Equality. Let me see how many more kilometers. Other riders are also coming. Okay, 29 kilometers to go. Right now the time is 12:45. We stopped for some refreshment break in between because it was too humid. We all were thirsty, so we had water and cool drinks. And now we are not riding fast because we want to keep the entire group together and reach the Statue of Equality. Probably we'll click some photos there. But one thing is for sure, that while coming back we are not facing a lot of traffic on this highway. While going there was the road was entirely jam-packed. Even now if you see, the oncoming traffic is a lot. But this way which goes to Hyderabad, this is much free right now. That's a good sign for us. Guys, we have reached Statue of Equality. This is the, I think, second largest sitting statue of Swami Ramanujam. This is the tallest sitting statue here in Hyderabad. I'm not sure if we are going inside or not, but definitely worth clicking a picture here. We are waiting for the other riders to arrive, then we'll click picture and leave from here. And we are almost done with the ride. We have clicked some nice photos, but it was a very hot and humid day. I don't have patience to deal with this traffic now in this hot afternoon, and I need to travel another 40 kilometers from here to my place. It's very challenging. Guys, finally I have reached my home, and it was a very tiring ride back home. It took close to 1 hour from the Shamshabad airport till home, but before that the ride was amazing. With that, I will sign off from this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, It is free for you, but definitely helps me a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.